Welcome to Wander, Explore, Discover. Today we'll explore Little Crystal Creek in Queensland.
Little Crystal Creek is located 74 kilometres north of Townsville. It is part of the Mount Spec section of Paluma Range National Park, the southern gateway to the wet tropics World Heritage Area. The road to Little Crystal Creek is fully sealed, but very narrow and windy along the Mount Spec section. Along the side of the road there is a medium-sized car park and a day-use area with toilets and picnic areas. From the car park it is an easy short walk to Little Crystal Creek.
The crystal clear freshwater creek cascades under the picturesque heritage-listed stone arch bridge built during the Depression in the 1930s. On the lower side of the bridge there is a lovely swimming area and a cool rainforest canopy to sit and relax or enjoy a picnic.
On the upper side of the bridge are some lovely waterfalls and more swimming holes. The crystal clear waters and pristine waterfalls are ideal for a refreshing swim.
If you want more places to wander, explore and discover, subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. We hope you enjoyed today's video. You can find more information and places to wander at wanderexplorediscover.com.